Oh, oh my goodness! I wish he had to pull the front valve cover, but we wasted enough time on this. They're not gonna even. I don't feel any of these loose, but what does that matter, guys? This is extremely too risky to repair. Yeah, I will put gloves on because I want to see. Guys, what else besides who you engine heads out there? What else besides lack of oil change would cause this? Okay, remember this car designed to burn on what is that? 520. All right. Are you guys suggesting that slick 50 or not slick 50, but synthetic oil would have prevented that? Look at this. It's the PCV valve. If you see this, now remember, guys, on the 2.7, the way I go by telling if the car is sludge is removing the crank sensor. Oh, that is cake, straight cake in there, guys. So on a 3.6, this is the best way to tell if your engine is sludged. Simply remove the PCV valve. I'm just in awe, guys. I don't know what else to really say. Number one is it pains me. I'm really hurt. Now, sure, I love to make repairs on vehicle, but I hate when this is like straight abuse. And you know what kills me? I think I don't even want to reveal the car because I don't want to put the customer business out there. But I think this model will alert you when you should get your oil change. Now, can you blame that on that? Can you blame the reason this looked like this on the fact that you never got your alert? That's why a lot of laws are put in place to protect companies that do that. I saw a statement on written down about FCA. Even though in the event the algorithm that tells you it's time for your oil change is not working, you still should not let your car go more than maybe 10,000 miles without an oil change. Okay, so that was put there for a purpose, guys, to relieve liability from the company in the event this happened. Because there are some people out there that would say, well, I didn't see where it said to change it, so I didn't think I needed to change. Here it is 10,000 miles later. You still ain't changed it simply because you didn't see a warning or a light that says it's time to change your oil. I don't know what's going through people here, but I need to take a good. Yes, I've seen sludged up engine, but never a 3.6 this bad, guys. Okay, so I have used up the bulk of my time on this car right here, guys. I'm flabbergasted. Is that the word I'm looking for? I'm shocked. I really am. I think my man said he ain't wasting no more time, like as far as taking this out, because this is going to look just like that. So why bother to remove that? I'm not sure why he went straight to that. Okay, either way it goes, the upper intake had to come off no matter which one you're going to remove. So from that point, they both pretty straightforward to remove, although you got a lot of AC stuff down here to deal with. So he just chose to remove that one first, guys. Okay, because I'm done, guys. That's all I have, man. I used up the whole time on this. Now a lot of guys gonna ask me, so let me find out right now. How many miles on this car? Let's take a look. Again, I'm trying to protect the customer's identity. In fact, I do not even want y'all to see what kind of car it is. All I want y'all to see is the mileage. And it is, zoom in. What does that say, guys? 131. Okay, it's trying to focus.